Introducing US Pool Supply's 14-inch rectangular weighted and super flexible pool vacuum head. An easy-to-maneuver flexible pool vacuum head with durable nylon cleaning bristles that make it easy to quickly clean walls, corners, and slopes. The 14-inch body provides a broader surface area to collect more debris at a time. The weighted vacuum body keeps complete contact with the bottom of the pool's surface, making cleaning and removing debris much easier. The vacuum head pole handle has a twist-locking design that fully secures the pole to the handle to prevent the head on the vacuum from jiggling. The ends of the rectangle-shaped head are flexible and will contour to the surface slopes in your pool. It's safe for all pool types. It also works excellent in above-ground and in-ground swimming pools and is safe for use in vinyl-lined pools as well. Make a splash today with US Pool Supply. Thanks for visiting US Pool Supply. Hit that like button and please consider subscribing to our channel.